Bell & Ross just unveiled the Classical Grande Bell, 1905 BH/2H. And the price? Price on request. Translation: if you have to ask, you can't afford it. After getting hands-on with this ultra-complicated timepiece at the boutique, I'm revealing the shocking truth about what price on request really means, and whether this watch justifies what insiders say is a $500,000 to $800,000 price tag. Bell & Ross, a brand known for $5,000 to $15,000 aviation watches, just released a watch that costs more than a Lamborghini. The Classical Grande Bell, 1905, features a cathedral gong minute repeater. But is it Haute Horologerie or Haute marketing? After examining every detail and comparing it to Patek Philippe, Vacheron Constantin, and Lang and Sona minute repeaters, I have a controversial opinion that will divide the watch community.
Thanks for watching videos. Please subscribe channel.